Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your wellness coach, Jessie Lee, your go-to guide for all things health and vitality. If you are new here, be sure to hit the notification bell and subscribe. In this way, you won't miss out my exclusive health tips. Many people ask me, how can I find my personal wellness code? The reason why I haven't made videos on this topic is because it's challenging to explain in details. Regarding what a personal wellness code is, you can click this video. Simply put, it's like your fingerprints possessing absolute uniqueness. This means that while our physical structures may be similar, our internal workings are entirely different. It encompasses both physical and spiritual characteristics. For example, the way our blood and energy flow differs from person to person. It will influence how our bodies manifest and respond to diseases. Whether you are aiming to lose weight, take care of your skin, or you want to improve your gut health, only by finding your unique wellness code, you can discover the correct solutions to your problems. This is why a method that works effectively for someone else may not work for you. The process of finding one's personal wellness code is particularly complex, and it constitutes a core part of my courses. It can be challenging to conceptualize. In simple terms, students learn different methods that evolve and are applied throughout their lives. For example, it's like martial arts. The master teaches the techniques and the wisdom they hold, but each student adapts their moves and strategies according to specific situations. The techniques are the surface level, while the wisdom behind them is where the essence lies. Our life experiences and personalities are different, so it will lead to the different levels of understanding and insight. However, this is inconsequential because with perseverance, improvement occurs at each stage. Just as martial arts, the real Kung Fu guys view their practice as a long-term regimen. Proficiency increases as one's understanding deepens. Therefore, learning one's personal wellness code requires integration with our personal spiritual growth, because our health is a combination of body, mind, and spirit. So the methods for uncovering one's personal wellness code accompany us throughout our lives, because our health is constantly changing, just like our spiritual growth. Once you've mastered those methods, regardless of your age or life stage, you can flexibly apply them and become your own healer. After all, in this world, nobody understands your body better than you do if you know how. Okay, in the future videos, I will gradually introduce some methods for discovering personal wellness code. Perhaps you will realize that many times throughout the day, you've been using it without even realizing. What is a personal wellness code? Well, a personal wellness code is as unique as our fingerprints or the intricate patterns found in leaves. It's entirely individual. Understanding our personal wellness code is crucial